Alright guys, so welcome back to another Roblox studio video. Now I know I haven't made these videos in ages, but yeah, well, we're finally back. Alright, now unless you guys have been living under a rock, I'm sure you guys know about the Steal A Brainrot type game. So literally, if you just search up Steal A and click on experiences, yeah, just look at all this, bro. But anyway, so today we're gonna be making a Steal A game. The concept is very easy to make. And I know it's easy to make, but it's time consuming, so I'm not going to be making it. I'm just going to be yoinking it from one of the free models I found. So if you guys want this free model, you can go ahead and find it somewhere. Here we go. Steal a thing. I'll probably link it in the description. So this is the kit for the game, and we're going to follow what it does. Alright, I'm literally with you guys. I have no idea how this kit works, but I'll just figure it out right now. So steal a thing. Let's open it. Okay, so all you gotta do is follow the steps, ungroup it. So shortcut is Control U. So this is in workspace. There you go. Ungroup in workspace. Beautiful. And lighting, I guess we could do that too. Boom. Okay, storage. Ungroup. And then server script service. Ungroup. Oh, okay, that's not server script. What I'm doing is I'm pressing Control U. Obviously, you can right click and do ungroup. Okay, where is it? There you go. But Control U is a good shortcut. So server storage. And then Control U. And you guys get the idea. I'll just speed this up. Scripts. Okay. Boom. Sound service. Sound service. There you go. Beautiful. There you go. So if we click on play, I think this should work. Oh wait, what the heck? That actually works. Okay, and then you can purchase. Obviously, my leaderboard isn't working for some reason. Any errors? Oh, I need to publish this. Okay. Okay. So the first step, guys, obviously to making a game is to publish it. So once you've added all the stuff, all you gotta do is go to file, publish to Roblox as, and then you can choose wherever you want to publish it. I'm probably just gonna do it in my stupid games group, because why not? Create a new game, and we'll call this Steal an Alien, because I'm sure that hasn't been done. And then you guys, you have to turn this off. Do not turn this on, right? Leave it off. Okay, Roblox is basically using your data. You have to turn that off. All right, now the next step is to go over to the game settings. All right, then you want to go over to you're gonna go to security, then you're gonna enable HTTP requests, you're gonna enable API services, and I think these ones should be fine too. You just want to enable all these. I'm pretty sure you need these. There you go, done. So now the system should work, I'm guessing. There you go. As you guys can see, now you have the money and all that, and it's gonna save. So we have $1,000 to start off with. Okay, that's the lock button, I'm guessing. Alright, so now I have $1,000, so we can buy one of these ones. Thing, comment. So these are the random things. Obviously, we haven't made our thing yet. I'm just gonna buy this one. Boom. There you go. And now it's going to my base. Boom. There you go. It worked. I went to one of the stuff. Now, obviously, guys, you don't want to make your game will just look like this, so we're gonna make it look better in a bit. Okay, so and it's growing. I can collect it. Boom, there you go. Collect. I reckon I could add like a sound effect and stuff, because so yeah, this is basically just like a base for your grow a game. But I'll take you guys to a step-by-step process on how we can transform this into an actually good Steal A game. But if you guys are too lazy to do all that, I will sell the final game as like an asset or something, or on some website or something, so you guys can buy it and save time. But it'll be like pretty cheap, right? Maybe like a few dollars or something. First things first, let's make a base and stuff. Or you can do what I'm doing and search up Steal A base. Yes sir, like this to start texture. Alright guys, so now I might just design this by myself, and I'll speed up the process, or I'm gonna cut to when I get everything nice and, you know, designed. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, these points are the waypoints, right? So what you would want to do is put the starting point like here, and then the end point, which is waypoint 2, put it like here as well. So, or make it shorter. So like that, which is pretty big. I'll do something like that. Alright, so if you click on run, you can see it'll keep on going. You'll start from there, and it'll go all the way to the end there. Alright guys, so I thought of doing a change of plans. Okay, now instead of this game gonna be called Steal an Alien, it's gonna be, wait for it guys, it's gonna be Steal A Rizzler. Yep, Steal a Rizzler. Because that's not taken, and I'm sure the kids will love Rizzlers. And guess what? Guess who the Rizzlers are gonna be? You'll never guess. 3, 2, 1, me. No, I'm joking. Alright guys, and boom. Say hello to my base, guys. This is a prison, as you guys can see. I need to anchor a bunch of this. I need to anchor the whole thing actually. So guys, once you've designed your base, you really don't need any of these buttons and stuff, but I mean it's good for reference. And I did obviously steal this, so yeah. So we go anchor it, and we'll just group it. That's it. That's all you gotta do. Okay. So once you've anchored everything and grouped it, this is all you need. Alright. All you need is literally just the base. Alright, and we'll just call it base. We'll just do map. We'll just say map. I don't know why. I just like doing it. Okay. So now we're gonna take one of these, base 1. Alright guys, so now we simply need to just get these templates right, and we gotta make it work with our bases. Alright, I'll show you what I mean. I'll show you how this works. So what we need to do is, let's just take this. So obviously I'll duplicate the rest of the bases when it's done. These are just placeholder bases. I'll just put it up here for now. Cool. Then this is the door, so obviously all we have to do is put it let's put it down real quick. So put it down like that, and then in the middle. Okay, cool. And then what we do is that. Alright, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna just cover it up so they can't get in, obviously. And yeah, alright, cool. Let's spawn in the base. Okay, so we'll put this like, yeah, like in the middle or something. So owner, we will just put it up here. There you go. That's what we'll do. Alright, we'll see how that works. So we'll put it up there. Okay, cool. The owner, that's where it's going to display whose base this is for. So it's going to say ZeDarkAlien's base. But now here's what we do for the slots. Okay, now I don't know why the slot 2 has 1 rebirth on, but I think you can just we don't really worry about that for now, I guess, because it doesn't work for some reason. It doesn't count that as a slot. So what we do here is we just position them like that. Okay, so there's number 1. Well, first of all, let me just take that off. Okay, so that's where the guy's gonna be, the thing. This is where you collect the stuff. So let's just resize it. Alright, now if you don't have these pads, like these green neon things, you can make it yourself, and we call this slot 2, and so on and so forth. So let's this, I don't know what to do with this, to be honest. I think we can go ahead and delete it. And there you go, 10 slots, just like that. Alright, cool. So there you go. Now that works, I'm pretty sure. I don't know what to do with the other stuff. I don't know what these are. Lock. Okay, this is where we have to put the lock thing, so we'll put it here. And what we can do after, I'll show you guys. I'm really with you guys. I have no clue what to do, but I'm just going based off my instincts. I'm pretty sure you have to do this, and I'll show you guys that it works. I'm pretty sure it'll work, so it doesn't matter. Yeah, why would the base be different? So there you go, base 1, I go there. And also, as you guys can see, the rate of the things is a lot. I'm pretty sure like there's a lot, so we could fix that up. As you guys see, we're making some good progress. So we gotta fix this up. So let's just delete this. Obviously, I don't know why. That one will probably be there for you if you didn't steal this off of the toolbox. And now what we're gonna do is put the map, put the actual base inside of the base 1. Alright guys, yeah. And the things here, we should make them transparent. So everything here, just do 1. Make it all invisible, as you guys can see. And even these. So what we do is right click slots, click on hierarchy, hover hierarchy, and then click select children. Then same thing, but then we'll do select children. Yeah, same thing. Then we do 1. And there you go, it's much more clean. I'm not sure how this works, but we'll just put it next to the lock base thing, I reckon. We're gonna delete this. I don't know why that's there. Alright, now that's how you set everything up. Cool. Now the main thing obviously is the speed, so let's go ahead and do that. To do that, you want to go over to start a player, and literally right here, the character walk speed. We'll do 28 offline money. No way. Boom. As you guys can see, if you click on run, the amount of things that spawn is a little bit too much, as you guys can see. If you want to control the rate, go over to the thing script, which you place in server script service. Alright, if you're following along, it should be here. And then you want to go and change this like 5 seconds. Let's see how that looks now. Every 5 seconds it's gonna spawn. So boom, there's one. Another 5 seconds, boom, as you can see. See, that's how you control how many things you want at once. Now this is pretty slow, I don't like this. We'll do 3 seconds. So as you can see, this game is working pretty well so far. I might make this into a series, to be honest. How to make a brainrot game series. This might be part 1, and then there might be like another part. The template to this is in the description, should be in the description. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.